start recording again. Okay, fine. Yeah, so go ahead and anybody had any questions? I think we had seen Anup also had shared his thing. So Anup knows, Vihan had showed, many of you have seen. So I hope you understand uh, how this whole thing will work, right? But you have to diligently solve the homework assignments also, not keep it for the end. Okay. Yeah, Vihan.
So earlier you were saying that we have to do some stuff on leeches, right?
Oh, leeches, huh?
Yeah, so
Uh,
what are we supposed to do
Sir,
on
I
yeah.
leeches?
can, sir, I can join it now because I didn't log into it. Now I logged in with MC1RF.
That is what. Okay. So now you
I
understood.
didn't log into it.
You have to log in. Okay. Because otherwise, if you don't log in, then whatever you do, it will be lost. Okay. It will not be recorded against your ID. Okay. Fine.
Oh,
Okay. I think what Vihan was asking was about leeches study. Okay. How do you do study? Study, there is a concept of study. So I will invite actually one of Anup, right? Anup is actually quite active. He, along with one more
Yeah.
of my student, has been doing leeches studies very well. So Anup, do you want to show what you have done on leeches? You want to share?
Yeah,
I think you
sure.
have done. You can share the screen and very briefly you can explain.
I also did studies.
Oh, you have also done. Good, good. So, Anup, you want
Okay,
to share the screen?
yeah, I'll share. You have disabled participant screen
Oh,
sharing.
okay, okay. I think I had security. Let me enable it again. Yeah, I have enabled it now.
so there's a problem with that. There's a problem with Chess King because after you make a mistake, you
Uh,
play again. It will show what mistake you did.
yeah, that is what it is supposed to, right? It is, if you make one or two mistakes, then it will show you what is the actual thing. So you are
Yeah.
supposed to study it and then, yeah. So,
It just gives clues what to kill.
yeah. It gives clues. Okay. So actually we will stop. This is an autoplay. We just hold. I think you go to. So can you see this leeches org that you log in, right? You have to log in first of all to leeches org, and then at the top you see this. After that there is play, there is puzzles, there is learn, there is watch. Can you see it? Right there you have to
Yes.
go to learn, and under learn you will have this study. There are so many things under learn, but yeah, study. So this is a thing. So where so there are all studies and there are my studies. So if you are click on the left side and on my studies, then it will take you. Yeah. So how to create a study? There is a very good example is there. You can see it. There is also a YouTube video which explains. But see now what Anup has done is he was analyzing the Stafford Gambit. Okay, and he has created this. Not only Stafford Gambit, so many other gambits. In fact, I will invite Anup if this is okay. You can share your study with others. They can go with it. See, Danish Gambit, Fedorovich Gambit, Traxler counter attack. In each of the things, what are the moves, what are the variations, and you can write your comments also, and you can store it. It will be there permanently. It is like your own notebook. Okay. Earlier in my time, my age, we used to have paper notebooks on which we used to write and keep it all of these things. Now your age is all digital age, so probably you will not write, but what you write effectively you can store it in the thing as your own study. So whatever you do, right? Maybe Anup, you can explain. So
Okay. Well, do I explain how to do it or how to make a study?
no, I just explain how you are using the study. So like making the moves and the commentary and things, etc. Right?
What?
No,
You were
so as you
lagging.
play the games, you can store all the variations, right? You can just go through it. You can E4,
Yeah.
E5, NF3, NC6,
Okay.
or
Well,
yeah, click.
uh, 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 uh,
So in this particular opening, it is NF6. Yeah, knight takes E5, Knight c3, knight takes c6, right? And this now you see many moves in the table on the right side, right? So these are all the variations. You can play fifth move, you can play e5, or you can play d3, or something else, right? These are all the moves that you can play. These are all the options. And not only that, you can write your text comments also. Some places, I don't know whether you have written, Anup, but you can write,
Yeah, I
oh,
have written. So actually, I created another study somewhere about end games. Like,
okay, okay, fine. But all of you just get the idea. It is like, and I will also be telling you more about this, but this is how you have to do. So this is like your notebook. Okay, you maintain it. Any new puzzle, etc.
yeah.
you want to put it, you can always put a thing. Yeah. So here, yeah. So here you can see the text comment also and how to checkmate the king, and then he has written, right? As you can see, we are forming a box around the king, right? Yeah. So like this, right? So this is for your own reference, and then whatever you are studying, you are keeping it for you. So you can always go back to it and again check it, right? And how to create a new thing, you can add a new chapter, right, to a study. See all
So
the
you can
games that we studied.
add a new chapter if you remember.
Yeah,
Or
you can add
Yeah, you have to click
add,
add new
add a new
chapter, and
chapter,
then
right?
you
Add a
can
new chapter to
do
this,
things.
and then you can either start from the original position, or you can start a arbitrary position. If you want to start, then you can go into editor. You can go empty, means it will start from the first full game, but you can
Yeah.
also start with a pgn or a fen, or you can edit the board. You can place some position on the board, and then from that you want to start it. That's okay. So yeah, this is the rook thing. See, very nicely Anup has done it, right? So, and including the marking on the colors, all of that, all of those controls also you have it. Okay, so you just understand it how to do this, and once you get it, yeah, see, very beautifully, right? So how it is explained, mate with the two bishops, right? Yeah. So like this, you can do it for your own thing and keep it. Okay, it is important. You can look at other people's studies. It's not that everything you have to create. People also share their studies, so which you can use it, but you can, it is important to create your own also. Oh, Anup, do you know how to checkmate with a knight and bishop?
Yeah, I do.
Superb, because this is what I teach actually at level 4. Okay, level 4, one of the first classes will be how to checkmate with a knight and bishop.
I don't know how to checkmate with this, but I just
No, this
copied it
is
from
not
some.
possible, because this pawn in the middle of the chessboard you can't. If it is a rook pawn,
Oh,
then there are chances in which you may
I
be
just
able to.
copied it from some YouTube guy.
Yeah, if it is a rook pawn, then there are chances. If it is a middle pawn, unless black makes some really big mistakes, you can't checkmate. But with a rook pawn, maybe it is. So that's fine. Okay, anyway, you got the idea.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyone has any other questions? Let me see what is there in the chat. Oh, Vihan, yeah, you have also made a study. You have also done. Yeah, good. And you can just go there under the learn study, and you can see there are thousands and thousands of studies that other people have created. You might get lost in that, but if some of you can look at and share with each other what is a good study to see from somebody else, etc., right? You can watch it.
And you can only checkmate the king with the same color bishop
You have
corner.
to yeah, so
With
here
the
you
knight
have
and
to take the
bishop.
king to the
I
other
think.
end of the board. So the king will get checkmated at a8, not at h8.
Yeah, I know
Oh,
that the process of moving it over.
yeah, moving it, right? Yeah, exactly. Good. So yeah, absolutely, right? So cool. So the good. So this is how you have to see. Remember one thing: there is more than enough resources available for you to learn as much as you want. Go more. So like Anup has gone. Anup is joining L3, but he's learning many of the things that he is talking. He's at a L4 level. Okay, but that is because of his own passion, hard work, and thing. He's going beyond what is required. Okay, so it is up to you. The sky is the limit. You can always go more and more, but there is a minimum thing that you need to do, that I will make you study that much. but you can always go for more. Okay. Good. All right. Any other questions? Any other? So otherwise the weekly schedule will continue. I think we are zeroing in on Saturday class. So which is okay. Saturday evening class. And you will have arenas on the weekends. Right. And I see because of the time zone difference and also I am keeping more arenas now, both in the morning and evening time. You can join whichever one that you want. Okay. But at least 2 every week. But if you want, you can join more than 2 also. Okay, Vihan, yes.
So what time will be the tournament?
Tournaments, again, as I said, there will be a morning tournament India time and there will be an evening tournament. Evening tournament will most likely be 7:45 or so after the class. Okay. And the other one will be this one.
So the morning one is the one with all the people who completed L3.
Yeah, morning one is it will be an open this one and so morning one I might keep it as all levels combined kind of thing, right? Okay, fine. So yeah, Vihan, go ahead.
So when are we gonna do the Swiss tournament? In the morning tournament or in the evening?
Evening tournament will do the Swiss. India time evening. Okay.
So it's like
the arena.
Once in a week. Okay, maybe on Sunday or Saturday once. One we will do arena, one we will do Swiss.
so it's like on Saturday we have one combined.
Saturday we will have arena tournament. Sunday, because there will be class also on Saturday. So Swiss takes slightly more time because everyone has to finish all the games before you go to the next round. So Swiss takes more time. So we will do that on Sunday because there will not be any class on Sunday. But Saturday we will have the class also followed by the arena in the evening. So that we will keep it as a normal arena. Okay.
So on Sunday is
Sir,
Yeah.
we
Sunday
will
evening,
have,
yeah.
you're frozen.
Archit, you are saying something?
sir, we will have Swiss tournament once in a week.
Yeah, once in a week. Once in a week.
Sir, tomorrow there will be tournament or not?
There will be a tournament. There will be a tournament. So, but the class I will not start tomorrow because tomorrow is too early. I would have started on Sunday or next Saturday I will start the class. Okay. But I will share you some YouTube links and some other study links. I will share it to you tomorrow so that you can start the self-study. But class I will start from next Saturday. Okay.
Sir, like you mentioned, there will be 2 arenas. Will tomorrow be 2 arenas?
Sorry, tomorrow there will be 2 arenas, one in the morning and one in the evening. But
Okay,
it
sir.
depends on you. So you can join only, see, more if you join, it is your choice. But I am saying at least 2 you should join every week. Okay, at least 2.
How do you put the comments on the study?
Oh, there is a at the below the chess study, right? There is a dialogue kind of symbol is there, right? How do you do dialogue? That one. So that I will do this. Okay. So using that you can put it
Below the chessboard?
below the chessboard. Yeah, below the chessboard.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, what time will the morning tournament will be?
Morning tournament will be around 9:30 a.m. or so, 9:30 or 10 a.m. in the morning, India time. So, like what we have been having every week, right? That will continue.
What we've been having is from
Okay,
10
sir.
to 11:30 p.m.
Yeah. So that's why, because there are so many, see, people are there from Singapore, Malaysia, India. I don't think right now anybody is there from the Gulf, but there may be somebody from US, West Coast, East Coast, so many time zones.
Yeah.
That is why it becomes difficult. So I'm just putting it at two times so that you can pick up whatever works for you. Okay. All right. Netra, any question?
You're lagging a lot.
Yeah.
So you're lagging a lot.
I'm lagging a lot. Okay.
You're
I don't-
lagging.
So
a
you're
lot.
lagging a lot.
Maybe my network is having a glitch now. So, okay, fine.
The
Okay.
evening,
If
the
there are
morning
no other,
tournaments.
if there are no other questions, then we will stop it and we'll end it. And is there
Yeah, I have something to say.
okay?
The
Go ahead.
morning tournaments in India, like the ones you've been keeping, are like 10,
10 minutes and
Thir-
plus something, right? Yeah.
10 to 11. I mean 10 to 11:30 p.m. for me.
Okay. Okay. No, but I give two things, right? I give two. One is in the evening and one is in the morning. So you can pick up what suits
But
you.
I still attend them.
Yeah.
You're frozen.
I'm frozen.
You're frozen.
So you're frozen.
No,
Yeah. You're
You're
lagging.
not now.
maybe my network is having a thing right now. So okay, but I think maybe Anup or thing. I think you can send your questions on WhatsApp to me. You can send your questions on WhatsApp to me. If right
Okay.
now it is not thing or there is a lag problem, then no problem. So we are starting. So tomorrow is 3rd of April. Okay, remember Saturday. Next
Yeah,
Saturday, 10th of
lagging.
April, we are starting the
Frozen.
lectures. Okay,
So
Zoom.
you're lagging a lot.
Okay,
And your voice is breaking.
okay. So that is a network
If
glitch.
you're
So no problem. I
But
think
I can't hear you.
it is time to end. I think it is time to end. I think so. My Zoom has also got tired. I think so. Tired of me talking. So okay.
But there's no timer left here. There's no timer coming now.
Yeah, that is fine. That is fine. But I think we covered all the things. Anyone has anything else, or we can close it now.
We can close, I think.
Okay. All right. Let us do that then. It is almost 8 o'clock p.m. here. So we are done 1 hour. So okay. All right. Then see you. Okay. Bye.